Good morning. My name is Brian Smith, and I'm the Chief Revenue Officer of Pinsight Media. And I also have a 5-year-old daughter. And if what you read is true about connected vehicles, I may never have to buy that little girl a car. Yeah, right? One of the companies working to make that content experience better is Dart Technologies. And it is my pleasure to introduce the CEO and founder of Dart Technologies, Michael Chow.
Me in the kitchen like a Simmons whipping pastry, cruising down A Street, off-white Lexus, driving so slow, but BK is from Texas. Me, I'm out there Bed-Stuy, home of that boy.
Good morning. Hello, KAC. I'm here to introduce Dart Discover and how the future of hyperlocal media for connected cars will drive the future of autonomous transport. You're probably familiar with current in-vehicle and in-flight entertainment experiences that leave a lot to be desired on the go, as mobile has shifted screen time from traditional televisions and desktops to pockets in our phone. We see the physical world being augmented through digital experiences anchored by location. With the context of destination, time, weather, passengers can now browse relevant digital samples while in transit. Let's take a look at how this works. The Dart Discover platform is powered by Sprint iPads mounted on the back of headrests in vehicles. Upon entering, passengers choose to enter their destination, personalizing their interactive experience. From there, passengers discover venues nearby the destination, scroll through the snack-sized media reel, check the weather forecast, read today's news, or shop local retailers and on-demand services. The rise of ride shares is disrupting the mobility landscape. In New York City, Uber will surpass yellow taxi trips. This transformation will continue to accelerate, opening up white space for on-demand, in-vehicle experiences. To size up the amount of captive time passengers spend in vehicle, a 90-minute commute represents over a month of lost productivity every single year. Future storytellers at Pixar depict what personalized TV in transit could potentially look like in the film WALL-E, where screens stream media on demand, optimized for our hyperlocal audiences while achieving reach out of home. Dart Discover is a compelling content distribution platform complete with engagement and attribution analytics, the key to unlocking hyperlocal marketing spend. By tracking media engagement and mobile location data, we measure retail impact based on where demographic audiences flow after drop-off. With Pinsight Media and our programmatic ad exchange, Vistar, we distribute the right content to the right person at the right time, at the right place. Our team has deep experience in digital media over the last dozen years as early members of startups building out fleets of distributed devices. Starting at Kleiner Perkins Back to New, now known as RMG Networks, and more recently, working with Starwood Hotels deploying 2,500 Android tablets across 5 resorts in Phoenix, Arizona. Having learned from these past deployments, our mobile tech stack enables business agility through iteratively deploying apps over the air and managing devices remotely. At Dart, we build upon and contribute back to the latest open source technologies, including Facebook's React Native and GraphQL. We're hyper-focused on creating value in the autonomous ecosystem by streaming targeted media over wireless telco infrastructure to subsidize transport fleets. Data is the new oil. And whether you're in media, telco, or transport, there's a highly interconnected role to play in logging the millions of miles necessary to train self-driving cars and becoming safer drivers than humans. If you're part of this ecosystem, we'd love to speak to you afterwards to come along for the ride. Our roadmap starts in the global media capital of the world, New York City, scaling up our fleet to 10,000 vehicles by the end of this year. Looking ahead, what will an autonomous future with connected cars streaming real-time media over 5G gigabit wireless look like for you? There's only one way to find out. Thank you very much.